Alright guys, quick one. I want to be sharing with you how I kill Vix75 every single time, how I kill Vix75 every single time. As you can see, we are on a trade right now. Alright, we took a buy at this position after the market conditions, which I'm going to be sharing with you, all were met. We took a buy from here and we are riding all the way to the top. Alright guys, as you can see, we are making a lot of profit guys. VIPs are winning, everybody is happy guys, everybody is happy. All right, the strategy that we use, all right, to make so much money every day is what I'll be sharing with you in this video. All right, there's no single day that passes by that we don't make profits guys. We make a lot of it, a whole lot of it guys. All right, so I'll be sharing with you our secret. All right, so I urge you guys to stay put and watch this video to the end. All right, make sure that you stay put and watch this video to the end. All right, also I'll be dropping the link to our Telegram group on the description of this video. All right, so that you can join us and be a part of what we have right here. It's a big community guys, it's a family. All right, you join us, we make profits together. All right, we have fun together while we're making money together guys. All right, so let's go over here. So I'll share with you how this is done professionally, even as a beginner. If you learn these principles, if you learn it and understand it, you too can make a lot of profits from this guys. You too can make a lot of money from trading VIX 75. All right, you see our trade is running. Massive profits guys, massive profits right here, massive profits right here guys. All right, the same strategy is what we use to enter the trade here, the VIX25. So in this strategy guys, we are going to be using just two indicators. All right, the stochastic oscillator and the moving average. All right, I'll show you the settings. I'll show you how to set this up. All right, but before I go into that, let me show the newbies how to add indicator to their chart. All right, so you simply click this F sign here. You can see the symbol I just highlighted. All right, you simply click there and it will bring you to this interface, right? And then for this strategy, we won't be needing any indicator on our main chart. We won't be needing any indicator on our main chart. All right, so for you to have an indicator window one, sorry about that. For you to have an indicator, I just got distracted, I'm sorry. For you to have an indicator window one on your chart, you simply click here, the F plus sign, and then you add stochastic oscillator first. You simply click on the F sign here, the F plus sign on your main chart, and then you add stochastic oscillator first. All right. Okay, so these are the settings for stochastic oscillator. You can see K period is 60, D is 1, slowing 1. All right, you can quickly just screenshot this so that we can forge ahead, because I don't want the video to be very long. See the levels, this is the important part guys. See the level. All right, we have level 10, we have level 50, and we have level 90. All right, so you simply just add those levels. All right, and then you click done here. Excuse me, you click done. All right, and then you can now see how this is displayed on your chart. You can now see the indicator on the area where you have indicator window. All right, so all right, straight into it now. The first thing you do when you are trying to take a trade is for you to go to your higher time frame to know the direction of the market, right? So after you've done that, you can see the market is in an uptrend or a downtrend, as the case may be. you simply know at that point that you are either to buy or to sell. If the market is in an uptrend, you have to buy. If it's in a downtrend, you have to sell. All right. So what do you do next? Identify your areas of value and all of that, and then you come back to the lower time frame and wait for your indicator to come to either of these levels, right? All right, so the market was in a downtrend, so we are to sell. We are not trying to buy, so we are waiting for our indicators to converge at this level, the 90 level. If it's in a downtrend, sorry, in an uptrend rather, and we are looking to buy, we are looking at the indicators converging here. All right, this is after you have used price action to know the market direction, know your area of values. All right, allow price to come to them, and then come to your indicators and wait for price to converge at those levels, and then you take a trade. All right, as you can see, we entered when this black line, the moving average, converged here with this other. All right, at this level here, at the 10th level, and then you can see we took a trade and we've been riding all the way, guys. All right, we've been riding all the way. You can see the profits. You can see how much we're making every day. All right, you can see I showed you to the group. You can see everybody's happy, so feel free to join us, guys. I'll be dropping the link to our Telegram on the description of this video, and also I need you to subscribe to this channel, guys. If you have not done that before, subscribe is very important, because I want to reach out to a whole lot of people who might find this interesting, who might want to benefit from these powerful strategies that we share every day. So this is very simple, guys. So all you have to do is just wait for these two to converge at your levels. All right, the 90 and the 10 levels represent your area of values. All right, if you check your higher time frame, you notice that price is at that area of value, right? And then you confirm here, and then you take a decision. You buy or you sell. All right, you long or you short. All right, so this is very simple. Let me show you other areas where that happened. As you can see here, you can see it converged around here. If you check a higher time frame, price was in an area of value around there. All right, and then you can see how much profit this person must have made. Whoever had entered that trade, you can see how much profit. You can see bought all the way from this level up here, guys. All right, I can show you more. This is another example. You can see two indicators converged here. All right, and then you can see it went all the way up, guys, all the way up. All right, I can keep going. All right, so some people would want to know the zoom level. All right, so this is, you need to zoom out. All right, you need to zoom out and then use the second or the third zoom level. All right, for clarity, you can use the third zoom level. All right, this is very simple. This is not difficult at all. You just have to follow it. Follow the principles, follow the right steps. All right, step-by-step guide. You can chat me up if you have any challenges. I'll be dropping my WhatsApp number. I will drop the link to my WhatsApp on the description of this video too, so that you can reach out to me if you want to. You can join us if you don't have the time to learn or to do this by yourself. You can join our VIP. It's very affordable. You can also join our mentorship if you want to know more on price action, because price action is very mandatory, guys. Price action is very mandatory. If you want to consistently win for a very long time, or you want to be a sustainable, successful trader, you need to be able to read the market with your eyes. All right, and that's what price action will do for you. So you can join our mentorship program. It's very affordable, guys. All right, so I'll do another video some other time. Just stay close, subscribe to the channel, thumbs up if you have been using our strategies and they've been working for you. Thumbs up, drop good reviews and all of that is going to help us grow together, guys. All right, take care, guys.